Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. This video is a in the post video and it's been designated in the post number 49. I start off with some things that have come in as part of getting coins. First of the three trading cards. You have Kew Gardens, Sir Isaac Newton and the Battle of Britain in the Gold Edge format. Now, I do have a lot of spares of these coins, so if you are short of them and you are collecting them, email me and we'll see what we can do about getting them to you if I've got the ones that you need. Second one is, we've got some lovely stamps there. They're from Italy. I bought something and it was actually from Italy. I don't actually have it here, I don't think, in the post, but we'll get to it shortly. Right, the first one in the post, well, is two coins. One is a blue card from Westminster and the other one is a standard bunk from the Royal Mint. They're celebrating the Tudor Beasts, and this one is the Unicorn of Seymour, or Seymour Unicorn. Yeah, Seymour Unicorn. They're actually dated 2024. So alongside the Chinese New Year one that I recently did a video about, these are the first coins for 2024. Oh, hang on. I have another blue card, and this blue card is the one for Mary Seacole, who was a black activist who, should I call her black or should I call her coloured? I'm not quite sure, but she was around in the late Victorian times and was a compatriot of Florence Nightingale and did work in the Crimea, amongst other places, aiding the soldiers that were out there. So this was a coin that we weren't expecting to be released, or I wasn't. I didn't hear about it until I got an email from Westminster saying, your BU subscription, you've now got one of these. Right, this is the next one. It has been sealed up in a change checker thing. Now, I wasn't lucky enough to get to the change checker 10-year celebration at the Mint, where they took over the Mint for the day. I did put in for a pass, but I didn't get one. I did, however, managed to find on the secondary market one of these, which is the J.R.R. Tolkien £2 coin. This comes with a change checker packaging. No one seems to know yet whether this will actually be classified as a separate release of the Strike Your Own, or whether it will be counted in with all the originals, the Mint ones, or whether they'll be not counted at all. So no one knows at the moment. However, I'm glad to have it because it is unique. There's not, I think there was up to 3 per person, and there was 300 people invited. So if you take on board the people from Change Checker, the Royal Mint and everything else who may have got a coin at the same time, there's going to be less than 1,000 of them produced in this packaging. So I wanted it for my collection and I bought it on the secondary market, and there were some people asking up to £100 plus for this particular coin. I hasten to add, I didn't pay anywhere near that. I think I paid around about less than half of that. So I was very lucky to find one so quickly after the event and so cheaply after the event. So I'm glad to have it. I will do a review on this and what the Change Checker 10-year anniversary was all about and all the rest of it. Right. Next one, I got a letter from my friend Captain Coinman. It said there's some more coins for you, just a few animal coins. I've tried to pick some different ones from the last time, but it might be some doubles. Also, after watching your recent video on Russian coins, eBay purchase, I noticed that you were a little disappointed in them, and I've included a few I could spare, and I hope these cheer you up a bit. Here's hoping you hit 250 subs, and this is a contribution to help towards achieving that goal. One of your most avid viewers, Captain Coinman. Now, this gentleman is a great man. He's a lovely man. He's done so much and given me so much stuff. This is I think the 4th different package he's sent to me. The first part of it is there's 2 coins there from a world coin hunt that are neither the Russian ones or the animal coins. So there's 2 there. There is a bag that contains 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 7 bags of world coins, and these are sort of 10 or 12 coins in each bag, so that will make up 7 hunts for me, which I'm very, very grateful to have, because animal coins are always difficult to come by. And then this was just a few coins from Russia that he sent me that he could spare. There's a load of them there. It's a wonderful amount. There's some that I've not had or I've not got in my collection, so that is absolutely brilliant, and I can't thank him enough for having come through again for me and got me things that I'm going to be able to use and bring more videos for all of you. So a huge thank you to him. So that's the Russian coins. There's the animal coins. There's two odd ones that were world coins and didn't fit into either of those categories. I have the Seymour unicorn. I have the Mary Seacole. I have the very special 10-year anniversary change checker from the Royal Mint thing. And I have the Bunk Seymour unicorn. You add to that some cards and some stamps. All in all, this is a special lot, and I'm glad we got it. I'm happy to have all of these coins, and I will be bringing these to you on a regular basis over the next few months, particularly with the Russian coins and the animal coin hunts. So my thanks especially to Captain Coinman, and also to everybody who's tuned in and enjoys these videos. So until we meet up again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.